Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, here we'll be working here on a dot journey today, and let me introduce you guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe if you need one of if you have one of those. We'll save you so much money in the long run guys. So what we'll be doing today, okay, we'll show you how to remove or how to replace a rear wiper and rear wiper arm. Okay, I'm talking about the whole assembly because that's a plastic one and sometimes they do break. Okay, this arm right here, or if you need to work on something, okay, and you need to remove it, we'll show you guys what you need to do and how you can remove that thing. So the procedure is not very complicated. Again, we'll have more than 200 videos. Please guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we need to do next, okay, the windshield wiper arm right here, you can see that cap. Okay, we need to open it on both sides, pull it out. We are going to use a spray here now, okay, a little bit of lubricating penetrating spray, because this thing, you can see how bad and rusty that thing is. So we'll use interphone here, spray a little bit. Okay, perfect. And now we'll need to get a tool and remove that nut now. That will be the next step. So 10mm socket now, we'll go ahead, remove it. Perfect, okay, check out how rusty it is. So how you remove it now, you need to grab it with two hands, okay, and you will need to start, okay, like going left and right a little bit, up and down, you see, and it's going to come out. We're going to spray a little bit more spray here inside because it will be stuck. This one will help it get loose. That spray is amazing guys. This is one of the best sprays, penetrating sprays on the market, interphone. Check it out in the description of the video below. So let's see if it's going to come out now. Okay, eventually comes out. Okay, you can see it gets right here and it gets stuck pretty bad, so we need to clean that later with penetrating spray to make sure that we don't have any contamination. Okay, you can see it's really rusty. So you can see guys, this is the windshield wiper arm. In most cases you replace the windshield with the arm. You can replace the blade only, it can be done, but most of the times, okay, you buy the arm, the whole assembly just the way you see it like that. You can find out in the description of the video below where we purchase our things from. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.